In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert special characters. If you've ever needed an accent, a math symbol, a currency sign, or a unique punctuation mark and weren't sure how to get it into your document, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can follow along in any standard document editor. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. Think of your cursor as the drop-off point. Wherever it's blinking, that's where the character will land. If you're replacing something, highlight the existing character first. Otherwise, just click to position the cursor before or after the word where you want the symbol. Give yourself a tiny bit of space if you want the symbol to stand out for readability. Next, go to the top of your editor and click Insert, then choose Special Characters. You'll typically find Insert along the main menu bar. When you open Special Characters, a panel or dialog will appear with a range of symbols. This is the control center for everything beyond your standard keyboard. Inside that panel, you have 3 easy ways to find what you need: browse, search by name, or draw the character. Browsing is great if you want to explore categories like punctuation, arrows, currency, math, or different language sets. If you already know the name or a keyword, use the search box. Type terms like M-, check mark, copyright, degree, pot, or less than or equal to, and you'll see matching options. If the name isn't obvious, try the drawing tool. Sketch a quick version of the symbol with your mouse or trackpad. Don't worry about being perfect. The tool will suggest close matches, and you can refine your sketch or try a slightly different shape if the first results aren't right. Once you see the symbol you want, simply click it to insert it at your cursor. You'll see it appear in your document right away. If it doesn't look quite right or you click the wrong one, use undo or delete it like normal text and choose again. Need more than one? Keep the panel open and click the character repeatedly, or choose different symbols without closing the window. When you're finished, close the Special Characters panel and continue editing. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor, open Insert and Special Characters, find the symbol by browsing, searching, or drawing, and click to insert. With these steps, you can add the exact character you need, exactly where you need it.